Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bemi. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back and tuning into my channel. So today's wig is from a company called Allove hair, and this is their deep wave highlighted wig in the length 24 inches. It's actually a closure wig, and the funny thing is I did try to record this video previously, but it just wasn't making sense. Like everything was just going wrong, from my makeup to, I don't know, it was just going wrong. So I'm having to do it again. So you guys are going to see me include some clips from the previous video into this video, so you guys can see how I obviously toned the wig and also how I styled and, you know, got the wig to look like this basically. So when I got the wig initially, it had like this really yellow undertone, so I had to tone it with a purple shampoo. So if you guys want to see what purple shampoo I used and obviously how I styled and defined the curls, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. So I'm gonna go ahead to apply some foundation onto the lace of the wig. Okay, so going back to my makeup now, you guys can see I don't have my lashes on. I am going to put my lashes on camera, and you guys can see around my T-zone I'm quite oily right now because I've had my makeup on for like a good 5 to 6 hours, and I didn't prime my skin as well. So I'm going to go into my Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder in the shade 3 Dark. A brush like this, I'm going to go in with an angled brush, and I'm just going to press. I'm going to apply a generous amount onto the brush, and I'm just going to press that into my skin. You guys can see the difference on this side and this side. Right away there's a clear difference, and literally this powder just makes it seem as if I've literally just done my makeup. I'm gonna line my lips with my sleek Just Say Nothing lip liner. So moving on to lipstick now, I'm going to apply my Tilbury lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. Okay, so moving on to lashes now, I'm going to apply the style Dreamy from my lash line. I really like this style because I feel like it gives you drama without you doing the most, and they're not too long as well. So that's one thing I really like about them. To finish off my makeup, I'm just going to apply some NYX Lingerie lip gloss in the shade Shy. So So anyway, like I said, this highlighted dip wave wig is from a company called Allove Hair, and this wig is in the length 24 inches or 26, I'm not so sure, but I'll make sure to link it down below anyway. So if you guys are interested, please make sure you check the description box for anything you would like to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.